In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scorecard comparisons for multiple date ranges in Looker Studio. First, open your browser and search for Looker Studio. Once you've reached the Looker Studio homepage, log in with your credentials. By logging in, you'll unlock the capabilities of Looker Studio, which is essential for visualizing and analyzing your data effectively. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to add a scorecard to your Looker Studio report. Inserting a scorecard is straightforward and serves as a powerful way to visualize specific metrics or key performance indicators that are pivotal to your analysis. With your scorecard in place, it's time to configure the primary date range. Click on the scorecard to select it, then navigate over to the Setup tab in the Properties panel. This is where you can set the desired default date range for the primary period you want to focus on. Choosing the right date range is crucial as it sets the baseline for your entire analysis, ensuring that your data aligns perfectly with your objectives. The next step involves enabling the comparison date range. Scroll down within the Setup tab until you locate the Comparison Date Range section and toggle it on. Enabling this setting allows you to measure how your current data compares to the past, providing valuable insights into trends over time. Moving forward, you need to choose a comparison period. This part is vital as it determines how your data is compared. From the drop-down menu, you'll see a variety of options, such as the previous period, previous year, fixed, and advanced. Select the option that best suits your analytical needs. Each of these options allows you to gain different perspectives, whether you're looking at changes over a similar period in the past or more customized date ranges. Having selected your comparison period, it's time to click Apply to implement your choice. Once applied, the scorecard will automatically update to display the metric for the primary date range, along with the percentage change or absolute difference when compared to the selected comparison period. This visualization is powerful as it not only shows current performance, but also includes insights into how it stacks up against the historical data. If you want to show multiple comparisons simultaneously, such as comparing to both the previous period and the previous year, you'll need to create separate scorecards for each comparison. Start by duplicating your initial scorecard or adding a new one. For each of these new scorecards, repeat the steps of setting your date ranges, enabling comparisons, and applying them, but remember to select a different comparison period each time. And there you have it. You've now successfully created scorecard comparisons for multiple date ranges in Looker Studio, giving you a comprehensive view of your data trends across various periods. Happy analyzing!